Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.4841 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.4658 1.4975. The earlier day close, 1.4697. The change was plus 0.0144, plus 0.98%. Backwards rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 1, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost 1.49 rands, high 1.59, low 1.39. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost 1.48 rands, high 1.58, low 1.38. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, May 4, cost 1.51 rands, high 1.62, low 1.40. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost 1.52 rands, high 1.63, low 1.41. In multi-week Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 8, cost 1.50 rands, high 1.61, low 1.40. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 1.52 rands, high 1.63, low 1.41. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, May 10, cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 1.35 rands, high 1.44, low 1.26. Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost 1.28 rands, high 1.37, low 1.19. In about 14 days Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost 1.32 rands, high 1.41, low 1.23. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost 1.31 rands, high 1.40, low 1.22. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 17, cost 1.33 rands, high 1.42, low 1.24. Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost 1.32 rands, high 1.41, low 1.23. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost 1.36 rands, high 1.46, low 1.26. In 3 weeks Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 22, cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, May 24, cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost 1.45 rands, high 1.55, low 1.35. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, May 26, cost 1.49 rands, high 1.59, low 1.39. In about a month Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 29, cost 1.47 rands, high 1.57, low 1.37. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 30, cost 1.39 rands, high 1.49, low 1.29. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2023. In the first place cost at 1.37 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.84, while low cost 1.35. Found the middle value of cost 1.51. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.47, change for April 7.3%. Dogecoin gauge for May 2023. Initially cost at 1.47 rands. Excessive cost 1.63, while low cost 1.19. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.39. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.28, change for May 12.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. Initially cost at 1.28 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.32, while low cost 1.11. Found the middle value of cost 1.23. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.19, change for June 7.0%. Dogecoin estimate for July 2023. To start with cost at 1.19 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.19, while low cost 1.00. Found the middle value of cost 1.11. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.07, change for July 10.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. To start with cost at 1.07 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.33, while low cost 1.07. Found the middle value of cost 1.18. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.24, change for August 15.9%. Dogecoin estimate for September 2023. To start with cost at 1.24 rands, exorbitant cost 1.24, while low cost 0.97. They found the middle value of cost 1.12. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.04, change for September 16.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. To start with cost at 1.04 rands, excessive cost 1.04, while low cost 0.81. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.94. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 0.87, change for October 16.3%. Dogecoin conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 0.87 rands, excessive cost 1.08, while low cost 0.87. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.96. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.01, change for November 16.1%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 1.01 rands, excessive cost 1.16, while low cost 1.00. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.06. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.08, change for December 6.9%. Dogecoin conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 1.08 rands, excessive cost 1.08, while low cost 0.93. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.02. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.00, change for January 7.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 1.00 rands, exorbitant cost 1.12, while low cost 0.98. They found the middle value of cost 1.04. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.05, change for February 5.0%. Dogecoin estimate for WAC 2024. First and foremost cost at 1.05 rands, exorbitant cost 1.05, while low cost 0.82. They found the middle value of cost 0.95. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.88, change for spring 16.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at 0.88 rands, exorbitant cost 0.88, while low cost 0.69. They found the middle value of cost 0.80. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 0.74, change for April 15.9%. ZAR to Doge swapping scale equivalent to 0.6738 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.6678 minus 0.6822. The earlier days nearby 0.6804. Change for now 0.0066, 0.97%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Rand to Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 1, cost 0.680 coins, high 0.7.